Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Public Accounts Committee urges review of perpetual highway tolls after cost recovery, advocating reduction or elimination. Comes under GS2, Polity and Governance. Public Accounts Committee report on highway tolls, headed by K.C. Venugopal, has submitted a report to Parliament regarding highway tolls. The report recommends reducing or eliminating tolls on national highways. PAC raised concerns about continuation of toll collection in perpetuity. Public Accounts Committee, established in 1921 under Government of India Act 1919, Montagu for reform, at present constituted every year by Lok Sabha. Public Accounts Committee composition. It consists of 22 members, where 15 from Lok Sabha and 7 from Rajya Sabha, elected by parliament members according to the proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. Eligibility: no minister can be a member. Chairperson appointed by Speaker of Lok Sabha since 1967. Examination of accounts. Appropriation accounts of the Union Government and audit report of CAG. Scrutiny of expenditure. Money granted by Parliament was spent within the scope of demand. There is waste, extravagance or inefficiency in public spending. Oversighting and reporting. Gross tax receipts dip 3.9% amid rise in refunds. Comes under GS3 economy. India's gross direct tax receipts declined 1.9% to 9.8%. Tax collection trends. Shortfall in gross tax collection is primarily due to lower collection from non-corporate tax category, which includes individual income tax. Non-corporate taxes include taxes paid by individuals, Hindu undivided families, firms, association of persons, bodies of individuals, local authorities, and the artificial judicial persons. Types of tax based on incidents. The first type were direct tax, levied directly on the individuals and or organization. Burden cannot be shifted to others. Examples: income tax, corporate tax, wealth tax, capital gains tax, security transaction tax. Types of tax. Second type were indirect tax, levied on the goods and services paid by consumer indirectly through sellers. Burden can be shifted from producer to consumer. Examples were goods and service tax, custom duty, excise duty, subsumed under GST except on petroleum, alcohol, and tobacco. Benjamin Netanyahu pushes for no state solution. Comes under GS2 international relation. Mounting global pressure as key Western allies consider recognizing Palestine amidst genocide allegations against Israel, signaling a shift in post 1948 consensus. Israel-Palestine situation. Several Western nations, including Britain, France, are considering recognizing Palestine statehood due to Israel action in Gaza. Israeli forces have killed 2.6% of Gaza's pre-war population in 22 months, leading to mass displacement and starvation. Benjamin Netanyahu faces an arrest warrant from International Criminal Court. Public opinion in Europe and the US is shifting against Israel. International Criminal Court. It's a permanent international court to prosecute individuals for grave international crimes. Established under the Rome Statute, adopted in 1998, came into force 2002. Headquarters: The Hague, Netherlands. Members: 124 state parties. India is not a member. International Criminal Court jurisdiction are genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, crimes of aggression. Scope of authority: can be prosecute individuals or state, not the state. Parliamentary panel reveals under representation of SC, ST teachers and students in Delhi University. Key findings were: Parliamentary Committee flagged irregularities in SC, ST teachers hiring at Delhi University from 2020 to 2025. Scheduled caste students representation was below 15% quota except in 2025, while ST student representation remained dismal. Data shows SC undergraduates admissions rose from 11.97% in 2021 to 15.44 in 2024, while ST increased from 3.49 to 4.14, below 7.5% quota. Delhi University established in 1922 with the Act of Central Legislative Assembly, type Central University. Administration, funding and administration under Ministry of Education. Motto: dedication, steadfastness and truth. Chancellor, Vice President of India is exceptional Chancellor, Vice Chancellor appointed by the President of India. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.